Good evening, and we are just about to start. Come on, everyone! Good evening! Come on, let's stand! Come on! Join me! Welcome to Alisa debut party. Let's all welcome the grandmother of the debutante. Let's give them a round of applause. Gloria, Elsie, and now, let's call on the brother of our debutant, Mr. Carl Rina. Thank you. And now, put your hands together for the mother of our debutant, Mommy Griselle Rina.
Inside my bones, it goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home.
And now,
Dying of no feeling when
are you ready to meet our debutant herself? I don't have a guess. Are you ready to meet our debutant herself? Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, let us all stand up as we welcome the debutant, a woman of grandeur, now hot and legal. Let's give her a big round of applause, Miss Alisa Clarice Rina. Now be seated. Good evening to each and every one of you. How are you doing? I don't like the energy. How are you doing? Much more like it. By the way, I am Nami, your host for this evening that will be leading this event with a mic on my hand, which I call my magic wand. And the magic wouldn't happen without each and every one of you. And by the way, you look all stunning this afternoon. Would you agree? Okay, I don't like the energy. Would you agree? And of course, our very stunning debutante. Let's give her a round of applause. I would like to welcome. Okay, I would like to welcome you all to this lovely event place. And thank you for driving all the way here at Scarborough to witness and celebrate the 18th birthday of Alisa Clarice. Because as they say, you get only to be 18 once. Okay? Now, I'm going to read a little bit about Clarissa as requested by her mother. So, get ready because we're going to have games later on. Alisa Clarice Rina, born on June 30th, 2005. Her hobbies are playing sports. She has one fun, okay? Reading books and fashion. Her favorite pastime is to spend time with her family and close friends. She is into hair and makeup and splurge mostly on the latest fashion trends. Alisa was into competitive figure skating and was awarded in various competitions she competed in. She graduated with honors in elementary and was awarded with a French language and business studies certificate in high school. Alisa was offered to attend in University of Toronto, Ontario Tech University, and Ryerson University, now called Toronto Metropolitan University, and eventually accepted the offer from Ryerson University to pursue sociology program. Her dream is to have a graduate with a degree, travel the world, and achieve to become a very successful lawyer in the near future. So, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, sit back, relax, and let's enjoy her party tonight! I don't like your energy! Let's enjoy her party tonight! There you go. Thank you. Alisa, we truly make sure to make this day a special day for you, to make this an eventful one. And now, can I ask everyone again to please stand up? And may I ask Eva Capistrano for the Lord's Prayer? Let us ask for guidance, peace, and blessings.